Hi, this is Don Gikowski with the Perlick Corporation. What I'd like to demonstrate for you today is how to properly pour a beer. As you know, tap handles today are getting bigger and larger because people want to sell their beer. But the problem is when the bartender grabs it up on the top and pulls, they're putting a lot of stress and strain on top of the shanks and on the screws or the mounting surfaces to the countertop. And so what we'd like to do is recommend that you take your 3 fingers and place them on top of the faucet. Then what you want to do is snap the faucet open and close as quickly as possible. This is to prevent agitation up on the top, causing the beer to foam immediately as it comes out of the faucet. So following that technique, you hold the glass at a 45-degree angle. Never put the faucet inside the glass. So dropping it down, snapping the faucet open, pouring it at about a 45, and letting it fill to about 3/4 of the way full. To create the head on the beer, then you drop it down into the product, which causes agitation, and again, you snap it shut. Thank you.